Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am back with a brand new salad recipe, and this one's just a little bit different. It also includes pasta. I've been making my ultimate Italian pasta salad, and this salad is just an explosion of the most incredible flavors. We're gonna be adding lots of veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and then some marinated stuff like pepperoncinis, olives, capers, some salami, some cheese, and we're gonna dress it all with a really zesty lemon-based kind of dressing with dried herbs. This salad has everything going for it, and it's so incredibly easy to make. It's really great during the summer for picnics and barbecues, but really you can enjoy it year round. Let me show you just how easy this salad is to make. And the first thing you'll want to do is cook your pasta. So today I prepared a 1 pound of rotini pasta. I already drained it. I'm keeping it warm on my back burner. I actually like my pasta salad warm because I feel like it releases more flavor, more aroma that way. Now I'm going to get started with my veggies. So I have lots of incredible veggies. I have some cucumbers, bell pepper, tomato, red onion, basil, so much goodness. Now let's get to chopping. So I'm just going to chop everything into bite-sized pieces. Let's start out with these cucumbers. We're gonna add so much great crunchy texture. I just love the salad. There's just so much goodness going on. And today I'm using a few cocktail cucumbers. I picked these up at Costco. I really like the flavor of these. They're just really crunchy and refreshing. You can also use an English cucumber for this recipe. And as I chop all my veggies and fillings, I'm going to drop them into a large mixing bowl. I'm just gonna mix everything together. And I'm going to slice some cherry heirloom tomatoes as well. I love these. They're so colorful and so sweet. Add those tomatoes to the mixing bowl. Next up, a sweet red bell pepper. You can also use orange or yellow ones. We're going to chop this into bite-sized pieces. Next up, we're going to add one large red onion. That's going to add so much zestiness to this recipe. I'm going to chop it into larger pieces. And next, I'm chopping some salami. So what I'm going to do is just cut the salami log into smaller pieces, and then we're going to chop it into little bite-sized pieces. I usually cut it into eighths. So you have these little bits of salami in the salad. And next up, it's time for some olives. So today I'm using a little bit of olive mix here. I have some green ones and some purple ones. I'm just going to roughly slice them into smaller pieces. I love having a variety because these olives are just so zesty and flavorful. You guys are going to love these. You can even add some black olives in here as well. Along with the olives, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of pepperoncinis. These are zesty, mildly spicy peppers. They're going to add so much great flavor to this recipe. I have about a tablespoon of capers. I love capers. These are briny. They're gonna add so much flavor as well. Drop those in. I'm also going to add in about a cup of cubed feta cheese. This cheese is so great for pasta salads. Drop that in. And the last thing that we need to chop is the fresh basil. I love to add fresh basil to the salad. Just adds so much great authentic Italian flavor. I just like to stack my basil into like a little pile, roll it, and we're gonna grab a knife and just chop it up. All right, so I have all my veggies, my cheese, my salami, all chopped up and ready to go. I just toasted about a 1/4 cup of pine nuts on the stovetop. Just takes about 2 to 3 minutes, but it really brings out this beautiful nutty flavor that you wouldn't have otherwise. I'm gonna drop those in as well. And now it's time to make our lemon dressing. So I'm going to set this aside for now. I have my pasta all ready to go. I have 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice in here. To that, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of olive oil. Just pour that in. This lemon dressing is just so zesty and delicious. You guys are going to love it. And then for the seasonings, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of dried parsley. You can also use fresh parsley. I'm going to add in about half a teaspoon of dried oregano and about half a teaspoon of dried basil and some ground black pepper. And then just grab a whisk and mix this all together. And that's it. It's super, super simple. I usually whisk it for about 20 to 30 seconds just to make sure it's really well combined. And this dressing is ready to go. I've added my pasta on top of all the goodies we just prepared. I'm going to pour over my dressing. And now it's just time to mix everything together. Just grab 2 large spoons and toss everything together. I mean, this salad is so colorful and it smells so incredible. I can't wait to dig in and enjoy this. And that is it, guys, for my ultimate Italian pasta salad. For the full recipe, make sure to head on down into that video description box. I have a link there that'll take you over to my website so you can print this recipe off and share it with your family and friends. And now time to dig in and enjoy. And any salad that is this colorful and smells this aromatic is bound to be absolutely incredible. I just love all the colors here, just so colorful, so perfect for summer. All right, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of variety on here. There's just so much going on, but I'm gonna try to get a few of my favorites. I got some salami, some cheese, and some cucumber. This is hands down the best pasta salad recipe ever. So much going on here. So many incredible flavors and textures. I love the crunchiness from the cucumbers and the bell peppers. And then you have the saltiness from the salami and the capers and the olives. And then you have that creamy cheese, the pasta. Everything combined together is so incredible. You guys are going to love the salad from the very first bite. And that lemon dressing really brings everything together. It's really zesty and refreshing. Just ridiculously delicious. If you guys are looking for the best pasta salad ever, this is the one. You don't have to look any further. For the full recipe, don't forget to head on down in that video description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this salad at home as much as I do.